Shabazz, how exactly can you travel through time?
Well, thanks to Wings of Time, of course.
Oh, of course.
Look at that! We're reaching Britain in the 19th century. Uh-oh, it's going to get noisy.
Wow.
It's incredible. Look, Felix. We must have reached the Silk Road era.
Wow. Just as we are coming to the last few hours of this trip, I just want the Singapore government to know that if tourism increases drastically from Pakistan in the upcoming year, I, Mona Hussain, and family deserve free, full sponsored trip by the government of Singapore, tickets to attractions, airline tickets, hotel accommodation, food, everything, because the amount of inboxes I'm getting that people have planning trips to Singapore after seeing my stories. People are asking me about the budget, people are asking me about where to go, people are asking me about attraction tickets, accommodation, everything, food. It's amazing, and I'm so happy to let everyone know that what Singapore has to offer, because I've always maintained that it is a family place where there is so much to see. And FYI, we still haven't seen everything in Singapore, imagine, and it's been like quite a few days. When we were coming here, people were wondering कि Singapore is a place where you just मतलब you can be there for like 3 days, 5 days, and that should be enough. Clearly you guys have seen that is not enough. There were places that are more than just Universal and the zoo. There is so much more the city has to offer. Please visit it, and I hope you guys have enjoyed my stories. I've tried to make you all see the country as much as I can. I pray कि Allah Ta'ala सबको ये वक्त दिखाए कि they can come and see themselves with their families and enjoy it and take it all in, because it's amazing. It's so amazing. And Wings of Time was next level. You need pre-advance booking tickets. Today was the first show after a very long time. Come and see themselves with their families and enjoy it and take it all in, because it's amazing. It's so amazing. And Wings of Time was next level. You need pre-advance booking tickets. Today was the first show after a very long time that they opened it. We were lucky we got tickets for it. I'll give the details about the ticketing and everything in a bit. And they're saying see you soon, but I don't want to see them soon. I want to keep seeing them. I don't want. No, I don't want to go back. John, give me this life. Give me this life. Fast life, the first world life. मुझे एक चीज़ आज तक समझ नहीं आई, मतलब जो ट्रैवल कर रहे होते हैं, इनका इंस्टा स्टोरीज पे देख रही होती हूँ, ये फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कंट्रीज़ के आसमान इतने ब्लू क्यों होते हैं, और हमारे मतलब ऐसे होते हैं कि जैसे मतलब ग्रे, जैसे आसमान पे मिट्टी है। ब्लीच कौन ब्लीच हुआ है? हमारे वाले, हाँ, जैसे बाय द वे अंधेरा इसलिए क्योंकि on the tunnel everybody, okay. एक और चीज़ मैंने यहाँ नोट की है गाइस कि ये जो इनके जो मतलब CAP ड्राइवर्स जो होते हैं ना, ये आप इनसे कोई पूछो ना कोई सवाल तो ये जवाब ही नहीं देते, मतलब ये अपनी दुनिया में होते हैं। तो मैं वंडर कि ये क्या सोच रहे होते हैं कि इतना मतलब कि आप उनसे कुछ पूछ रहे हो भाई, बट नहीं, कुछ एक्नॉलेजमेंट नहीं है, क्योंकि आई थिंक वो उनको दिमाग में नहीं कि हमसे कोई बात कर रहा है। सो वियर्ड। Best sons, I will always miss you, I will always love you, and I will always appreciate your dear lakh rupees night rooms which are tiny AF. Guys, my anxiety started जो मुझे बहुत होती है कि इमिग्रेशनों पे और वीज़ा अप्लाई करने में कि बस रिजेक्ट हो जाएंगे, एक्सपेल कर देंगे, निकाल देंगे, डिपोर्ट कर देंगे। Major anxiety at the checkpoint at Malaysia. Guys, we are moving from $150 to 50 per ringgit. Yay! This is, by the way, the bridge that connects Singapore to Malaysia. Truly Asia. मतलब इनके क्लाउड भी सफ़ेद इतने होते हैं कि जैसे अभी ना वॉशिंग मशीन से धुल के निकले हों। मतलब हमारे तो कपड़े भी इतने सफ़ेद नहीं होते जैसे इनके क्लाउड होते हैं। This is Asia's best football stadium, completely newly made in Johor Bahru. Imagine. And our taxi driver was super excited to show it to us. हालांकि हम मर चुके हैं, हमें सोना था, लेकिन उसको लगा कि नहीं। और ही This is Asia's best football stadium, completely newly made in Johor Bahru. Imagine. And our taxi driver was super excited to show it to us. हालांकि हम मर चुके हैं, हमें सोना था, लेकिन उसको लगा कि नहीं। और ही pictures of us in front of it बड़े प्यार से। So sweet. This is a difference in the people, by the way, as you cross the border. Guys, I just want you to know that these pajamas belong to Mona, but this view belongs to the one and only Hannah Alve Spector, lit Pearson. Guys, I'm so exhausted, but मुझे नींद ही नहीं आ रही, मतलब नींद आ रही है, but I don't want to sleep because look at this view. I now know why Harvey Specter feels the way he does, because look at this view and why he wants the corner office. समझ नहीं आ रही कि 3 बेडरूम अपार्टमेंट क्यों लिया है जब कुछ लोग जो हैं वो मतलब look at this, क्या क्या देसी फैमिली इश्यूज। ब्रांडेड चिपकली है, बहुत ब्रांडेड चिपकली है भाई, प्राडा के साथ ही ये रहती है। मतलब मेरी तो औकात चिपकली से भी कम है। अब ये मेरा मियाँ पहुंच गया शूट।